I've seen claims get delayed so long that they run out of additional living expenses.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
And it doesn't serve anybody.
And in the
to do
past
that.
5 years, the building costs will go up from the time of the loss
Yes.
to the time the insurance company says this is what we'll pay you. By the time they get building permits and they start construction,
Absolutely.
it could be up another 15%.
Yeah, and we're no different than you guys. We need to get permitting just like you do. But with us, the immediacy is there because the homeowner is ready to see some progress put back in that house. And if you've had a long negotiation time frame with the insurance company, and then we finally come to an agreement and we say, okay, great, now we apply for the permits, and we sit and wait, tensions can run high, costs can continue to escalate.
Stress.
Absolutely.
So that's the pre-preparation.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.